Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing of Oneplus 3T 64GB, which we have ordered from Too Good for the price of 6500 in very good condition. Let's see what we get in the box. So this is the bill, as you can see, in very good condition, and 6500 rupees for 64GB, of course. So though there's no bubble wrap, it comes from China. Let's see. So they have packed this in very nice condition, like it's new, wrapped up, everything. The price over here says 22,000. Neat. And this is a 64GB gunmetal OnePlus 3T. So let's cut this open now. Let's see what we get in the box. Hey guys, remember to subscribe and like to us. So here it is, the device. Okay, this looks very nice. There are no scratches on the screen, bit on the back and on the bottom. Very nice condition. The condition is actually very nice. And the device is dead on arrival. We will charge it later. Let's see what we get else in the box. So this is their book and their warranty card. Not important. Nothing in here. This is a type C ERD cable, and this is Flipkart's original charger, which they sell on their website for 349. 2 ampere charger. I have used it. It is very nice. Let's charge the device now. Okay guys, so whenever we get a device, what we do is we use a tempered glass or apply a lamination. I applied the AAA lamination which I have. So when I remove the upper layer, let me show you what happened when I remove the upper layer. So here it is. Just from this tiny pull of the upper layer, the touch came out. As you can see, there's no glue attached with the touch. You can see all the insides of the device. Just off. I will advise you guys to never buy from Too Good. They will always sell you repaired, renewed products, broken devices. This is the second time they send me a defective device. I ordered from Too Good before, and they sent me a defective product when I replaced. This is the replacement. Actually, the replacement is, you can see yourself how awful it is. So the check code for OnePlus 3T is *808#. Let's see if the device is working. Okay, this is the sensors. Just sensors are working. Let's check if the display and the touch is original. The display doesn't seem to be AMOLED. I think it is an LCD display. They replaced it probably. So the touch is working for now. I will let you guys know when I find more defects on this device. Let's wrap this up and we will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will come up with more unboxings soon. See you guys next time.